Hi everyone, welcome to Civil Engineering tutorial. In this video, I'll show you details about families and how to do family setting in Revit. So please follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter to get all kinds of updates. Also hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with all new videos. So let's get started. So first of all, what is family in Revit? Whatever object or element Revit has provided ready-made that comes under families. Ready-made families such as walls, doors, windows, furniture, floors, stacks, etc. comes under families. In Revit, whatever we create in the project, we use families in all those projects. So without families, we cannot create any project in Revit. So using families, we can create our projects, and Revit has also provided us the option to create a new families. So maximum objects are ready-made in Revit. So first of all, let's see where are these ready-made families. So for this, go to C drive. C drive, then program data file, then Autodesk, then RVT 2018, then here this is libraries. So in this library we will get all default families. So all default families, this library, and this is the template, and this library contains all default families. So you can see here this is Indian. So these are the default families. This is doors. All if I'll go inside, you can see different types of doors. If I'll go back, this is windows. So all types of windows, different types of windows. If I'll go back again, this is furniture, bed, sitting, storage, tables. You can see these are different types of beds. So these are all ready-made. These are all you can see all sitting. So these are ready-made families. This is US Imperial. So this is an Imperial unit. So doors, you can see furniture, windows, all default families we have here. So we can also create new family here. So inside this library we will get the default families. So let's see how to do family setting in Revit. So first I will create a new project. So click on new. So here I will select Imperial unit. Now click on OK. Now click on this door command. So here you can see different sizes of doors are available here. So you can select some door here. Now if you want different types of door, click on this load family. Click on this load family. Now this folder is empty now. So what you need to do here, click on this, go to C drive, then program data file, go to program data file, then Autodesk, now RVT 2018, then libraries, go to libraries. Now this is Indian. So this is door. So different types of doors are available here. Whatever door, which door you want, select that, then click on open. Now these are the sizes, select the size, which size you want, select and click on OK. Now that door, you can see the door is coming here. Now again load family, go through same process, C drive, program data file, Autodesk, RVT 2018, libraries, then go inside library, then Indian, then doors, then select another door which you want, then click on open. Click on open, select the size here and click on OK. So every time we need to go through same process. So see, another door is available here. You can see both the doors are available here. Now if I'll go to window command, so these two doors are available here. Now if I'll go to window command, select window. So these are the different types of doors. I need different size or different type of work. Then now I need to go to same process. C drive, program data file, Autodesk, Revit 2018, libraries. Now India. Now this time I need a window. So I need to go to window. So I need to select which window you need and click on open. So that window will available here. So every time we need to go through this process. So if we will do permanent family setting here, then we no need to go through this lengthy process here. See, this window is available here. If I click on load family, see, again I need to go through same process. So let's see how to do permanent family setting in Revit. So that when we click on load family, we can directly go to library. So for that, click on this file, then click on this options, then click on file locations, then this is places. You can see this is places. Click on this places. Now this is our library. So library, click here. You need to click here. Right now library is selected. Now click here and this three dotted icon, click on this button, click here. Now here you need to go to C drive, program data file, then Autodesk, then RVT 2018. This is RVT 2018, libraries. Now go inside India. Whatever unit you want, go inside India and click on open here. I will show you again. Go inside India and now click on open. Click on open. Now click on, you can see now India is coming here. Now click on OK. Now again click on OK. Click on OK here. Now when I click on door, then click on load family. Now this time you can see we are inside this Indian library. Now we can directly select our family from here. So we are directly coming to Indian library because we have done setting for permanent family setting. Here we have done permanent family setting here. So when I select Windows, now go to load family, you can see now we are inside Indian library. So select the select window, click on open, select your size. So your family will come. So if you do permanent setting, then you no need to go through that permanent lengthy process. That go to C drive, program data file, then Revit 2018. No need to go through that lengthy process. See, so I'll show you again. Family, now family file location. This places, click on this places. So this is for template setting. This for template setting. This is click on places. Now click here and after this click on this three dotted button. Now select the C drive, program data, Autodesk. Now RBT 2018. Libraries. Now select your, this is Indian library, select your library, go inside libraries and click on open. Now click on OK. Now again click on OK. So like this you can do a permanent family setting. So hope you like this video, and if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.